I'm Chef Bernard Jensen and I'm super excited to tell you why I'm choosing STAUB for almost all my cooking. STAUB has a black inside. That makes that it doesn't stain. If you zoom into the inside using a microscope, you can see hills and valleys. And that's allowing fat sitting under your produce, so you get better browning, higher caramelization and easy release. Other Dutch ovens mainly come with domed lids. STAUB has a flat lid with spikes on the inside, and that's creating a self-basting system. You get 9 times more condensation back into the center of your dish, and that means that you can cook with less liquid. Less liquid means more flavor. I don't have to season my STAUB. It's made out of enamel cast iron that you can wash it with water and soap, and you don't have to season it. You can use your STAUB enamel cast iron on every stovetop. Gas, induction, electric. You can put it in the oven and on your barbecue. I can even cook acidic foods in my STAUB enamel cast iron cookware. It won't change the flavor and it won't discolor. Head to zwilling.com for more info on the STAUB cast iron products. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and take a look at the entire STAUB recipe series for more helpful culinary demos.